welcome back to the channel. Alright, special video for you all here today. In this video we are testing out FSD in traffic. So we are out here on the Maryland DC border, just passing the Anacostia River to get into DC, and as soon as we get close to DC, of course this is where all the traffic starts. So starting from the beginning of this video, FSD is driving us, and I want to show you how it comes in handy in traffic. So hopefully no takeovers, but FSD is not perfect, so just in case anything wild happens, I will take over. But if not, the car will be driving for the remainder of this video, and we're just gonna sit back, relax, have our seatbelts buckled, because that's the only rule here, you know, when you're using Autopilot, which I wouldn't really complain about that rule because it's cameras driving for you. So at the end of the day, I think having your seatbelt on is it's a good trade-off, wouldn't you say? So yeah, buckle up out there. Don't do no funny business about putting your seatbelt and then sitting over it, or you know, trying to like fool the system. You know, it's just not worth it. At the end of the day, look at this lane switch. Really nice job. Oh, and then it decides to switch back. Not sure why it decided to do that. Wow, you didn't like that move, did you?
No.
Dang, I don't know why it did that, but at the end of the day, it handled it safely. As you can see, you got cameras driving for you. Why would you not want to be buckled up in situations like that? So, no matter what, always pay attention. Just because you got a set of cameras driving for you doesn't mean this is time for me to close my eyes and be falling asleep or thinking about sitting in the back seat or anything like that. Alright, so check this out. The lane is merging in, and FSD's got to figure out what to do here. So I'm actually going to help it out by trying to merge over, see if anyone can give me some space here. And it needs to figure itself out with all these cones. Let's see if it can do it, and it does. It squeezes in. Look, it just, all of a sudden, they shut down this lane here, but I did help it out by indicating, because I wasn't trying to wait around to see if it was gonna figure it out or not, so I helped the car out. So now look, it's trying to switch over once again. This time it did it on its own. And there you go. It's just another example to show you why you need to be paying attention. It's not autonomous fully yet. Right now, in the middle of 2024, the safest possible way for you to be driving is the combination of a human and FSD. There's nothing in the world that is topping that right now. You know, FSD driving is safe, you driving is safe, but if you combine the two, you're really getting best of both worlds. You're getting all the capabilities of the car driving, and you also got the human instinct of you sitting in the driver's seat in case it does something you're not comfortable with. So yeah, right now I think there is no other driver assistance software out there. Wow, look at this truck backwards. I wonder if it's gonna be like an edge case for FSD, but no, actually it picks it up normally, just like a normal truck. But right now, like I'm saying, this is the safest way to be on the road. You know, even with the sporadic moves, you have the ability to take over. But with the fact that it has cameras all around, you know, scanning behind me, in front of me, to the sides, and using the telemetry of whether or not I'm paying attention, applying the navigation system to a set of safety rules, and of course the laws of the road, this computer drives better than a lot of people at this point. And it's gonna only improve from here. So yeah, as you can see in this video, we did 0 driving other than one little indicator push, and the rest was just handled. And this is some tedious driving. Like, who enjoys sitting in traffic? Not anyone I know. So I think it's one of the worst things that humans can sit through is traffic. It sucks. It takes up time of your day, and if it wasn't there, people would get a lot, to their destinations a lot quicker. So yeah, F traffic. But anyways, FSD is there to help you out. Even basic autopilot works in traffic. It just doesn't switch lanes for you. So if you're considering, what you really get with the 99 bucks, it's full self-driving. It's just not full autonomous. And that's kind of where we're at right now. So we're looking forward to an update here soon, 12.4. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet, and hit that like button if you enjoyed this video. And yeah, definitely subscribe. 12.4 is coming. I'm gonna be doing videos with the removal of the steering wheel nag, so really test that out, with no sunglasses or hats, and then with sunglasses and hats to see what it's like. So definitely tune in. And yeah, thanks again for watching. Hope you have a great rest of your day.